Hello student, in this video we will going to discuss 2 marks important questions and answers for uh, stock market subject. So in this stock market subject you will get 5 questions out of these questions. So first question, who is bull? So we have made answers from university key answers. First one question, who is bull? An investor who buys shares in the stock market assuming that the price of these shares will rise, he is called as bull. So the bull is the person who think that in the market in future the shares will be increase, so the shares value will increase, so he buys the shares assuming that the in the future the share price will increase. That person is called as, that investor is called as bull. Who is the bear? A person who invests in the stock market assuming that the price of the shares will fall in the future, so shares of value will be decrease or fall in the future. He think in the market in the future shares price will be going to reduce, then he invest. That person is called as bearer or mandiwala. How many stocks are registered in Sensex and Nifty? So in Nifty there are total 50 shares registered. In the section Sensex there are 100 shares registered. What is primary market? What is primary market? Primary market is that market where shares and debentures are issued or sold in the stock market for the first time. What is a secondary market? Secondary market is the market used to sell shares and debentures that have already been issued in the stock market. It is called as secondary market. So primary market, first issue of shares and debenture. Secondary market, already issued and issued shares and debentures reissued to the investors. What is information book or what is prospectus? The document book containing all the information related to the company and the shares of the company is called information book or prospectus. Who is broker? A broker is a person who delivers the company shares to investors in the stock market, or a person who sells the shares in the stock market. Who is a sub broker? A sub broker is a facilitator who indirectly helps in the selling the shares in the stock market. What is cataloging? Cataloging or listing. Listing is when a company gets access to trade or sell its financial security on a stock exchange. What is listing? Delisting. The withdrawal of a registered company name from the stock exchange is called as delisting. So listing means registering the company into the stock exchange. Delisting means withdrawing the name from the stock market. What is demat account? A demat account is an account used to buy shares in stock exchange or invest in a stock exchange. What is financial market? A financial market is a system that allows the exchange of financial instruments. What is capital market? Capital market is a market that provides opportunity for trading in financial securities for long term. What is financial market? Sorry, that was repeated. What are rights shares? So an opportunity given to the existing shareholders to buy additional shares at the reduced price, so that is called as right shares. What are bonus shares? Bonus shares are the additional shares given free of cost to the existing shareholders in proportion of their holdings. Who is a merchant banker? A registered dealer is a merchant dealer who provides a necessary service for buying and selling of shares. What is open shout system? The traditional method communicating information about the stock futures contract is called as open call system. What is dematerialization? The conversion of shares and debentures, assets, securities into digital or electronic form. It is called as dematerialization. What is a surveillance system? Stock prices are never stable. They always changes based on socio-political natural factors. Such change harms the investors and stock market to protect from this movement of prices. It is it is surveilled by or watched or monetized by stock exchange officers, that is called as surveillance system. So these are the most important questions for your stock exchange operation. We will see in the next video. Thank you.